Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Witcher 3 Best Potions. So in the Witcher 3, here are my best potions I can give you. So in the consumable, there's only first slots. First slot, I put in a food. So that's not a potion. So right now, on the right, and on the bottom right, you can see there's potions there. So I use is a cat, so I can see more in the dark. And the blizzard, because it looks cool whenever you kill someone, it goes slow. The time slows. And killer whale. Of course, when I'm in a situation that I need to go underwater, I'll just click on the killer whale and there you go. I can breathe underwater. So those are my best potions in The Witcher 3. So I hope you like them and I hope you use them too. So thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.